Today we went over circle graphs. So a circle graph is a graph of data in which a circle represents the entire whole. So a whole means 100%. So we're talking about 100% of the item or the group. We will use a circle graph to see how the whole breaks down into parts. If your question asks for how many, we have to use a proportion. So that's those percent proportions we used in the past. Is over of is percent over 100. Okay, so here we have that 700 seventh graders in Wise County were polled about their favorite extracurricular activities. The results are shown in the circle graph below. What activity is the most popular among Wise County seventh graders? Soccer had the highest percentage, so it was the most popular. Number 2, what activity is the least popular among Wise County seventh graders? Gymnastics had the smallest percentage. What percent prefers swimming? You can look up here, that's 27%. Then how many Wise County seventh graders prefer gymnastics? So I had that how many, so we're going to have to use that is over of is percent over 100. Okay, so we know it was a total of 700 seventh graders. So that total goes on the bottom. We know 100's always here. And gymnastics was 11%, so that goes in the percent place. And then we have X. So when we cross multiply, 100 times X will be 100X. 700 times 11 is 7,700. We divide both sides by 100, and we get 77. So 77 seventh graders preferred gymnastics. Okay, Mr. Bowling surveyed his teachers at JB Adams Combined School about their favorite type of movies. If 12 teachers preferred romance, how many teachers participated in the survey? Okay, so first thing we have to do is remember that 12 is only part of the survey teachers. So romance was 30%. So 12 out of what number is 30%? Okay, because that will tell you how many were surveyed. If 30% of them, or 12 of them, preferred romance. So we'll have 12 over W equals 30 over 100, and we'll cross multiply. So we'll have 30W equals 1200. We'll divide by 30 on both sides. So W is 40. So 40 teachers were surveyed. Okay, number 2 says how many teachers chose action as their favorite movie genre. So action was 25% when we go up there and look. So again, we're going to be using that is over of as percent over 100. So we're figuring out how many teachers. So that's our if. Oh, excuse me, our is. I can't talk today. 40 is our of. Our percent was the 25%. And out of 100. So cross multiply, and we will have 100x equals 1,000. We'll divide by 100 on both sides. and X will be equal to 10. So 10 teachers chose action as their favorite genre. Number 3 wants to know which movie genre was the least popular, so it's the smallest percent, and that was going to be drama. If you have any questions, please let me know.